YouTuber L to the W, the best car channel on YouTube that for some reason the algorithm hasn't been very friendly to. So I need your help. Like, share, comment, subscribe so we can blow this great channel up. So anyhow, the plans for this weekend is to sit out here and drink this coffee before it turns into an absolute oven out here. The weather service has like a big heat advisory out. Supposed to get up to like 113 to 118, something like that, with the friggin' heat index, man. It is going to be absolutely ballistically hot. So I want to try to get a few things done to the Camaro before it totally goes to basically hell in a handbasket, because it's going to be about that hot. So I definitely want to take a look at that antenna. I'm going to shoot a couple of how-to videos. So if you're interested, watch them. If not, you know, I plan on doing one because I've seen these on YouTube, and I don't know. I think personally I can add my own flair and do a little bit better, but how to do the side markers, the tail lights, and my part for the hatch should be showing up, and I'm going to do a how-to on how to fix that motor. So anything I can to help people out, man, because I get great responses on the how-tos I did for the HHR videos and that like that, and it's really rewarding. You hear people say you helped them out and saved them a bunch of money, because like my blower motor video did really good on that one, and people tell me all the time like the dealer wanted $500-600 something like that to do this thing, and when they saw the video how easy it really was, it gave them the motivation to go ahead and get hands-on and do the work themselves because of my video put out. Gave them the confidence to do the work themselves, and you know, that's rewarding. That's the best part of doing the YouTube stuff, is when you can really help somebody out like that. And I just love hearing from people when they tell me how they did it themselves and they saved a bunch of money, because you know, a lot of us, you know, working people, you know, go to work and you know, you don't have a bunch of money to go to the dealer, especially now if you're driving an HHR. It's a fairly older car, it's nothing new, so you probably don't have like the money to spend on the repairs, because it's an older car. You don't have a car payment like you would with the newer cars and that. But anyhow, it's great, it's rewarding. So I'm going to do a couple of how-tos on the Camaro, because they're fairly old now and they're still plentiful out there. So that's the game plan. I'm going to work on that for a little bit until old FedEx shows up with my Rock Autos parts. Well, Dan, this is interesting. This isn't going quite as planned. I went to start the car and the battery completely dead. I mean, like no voltage. This is the first time I've had this problem. I just started it, I believe, yesterday or the day before when I moved the cars in and out. I don't get it. It is completely dead. There's no light underneath the hood. I don't see where the dome light or anything was left on. I'm really just shaking my head as of this one, so I'm going to try to charge it. Hopefully it'll come back. I mean, I put a meter on it and it had like no voltage. I mean, something sucked the freaking life clean out of this thing, so it'll probably kill that battery. So this is probably going to be another trip to the store. I really hope this isn't going to be an ongoing battle to find out something that's stuck, that's drawing power. Maybe that's why that back light had been unplugged. Maybe somebody's had a problem with this car drawing voltage and killing it, but the light hasn't been plugged in either, so this is kind of, maybe that's why that motor's been unplugged. Maybe that motor's been unplugged because it's just drawing power. That might be it. So we shall see. I should get the new motor in today, and then I should fix that problem anyhow, but kind of stuck unless I want to jump start it, but I really want to put juice in here. Cars, man. Oh man, well, I got her jump started, and first time I tried, I backed the 50th in to go ahead and connect the cables. Then I realized that there was no way I was getting the door open on this car to reach in and start it, so I ended up having to push it out. Luckily, my garage and the driveway kind of lean out. The garage is pretty flat, so it's not bad, but the driveway goes downhill, so once I got the back tires to the threshold, she just kind of rolled out, and then I got her started. I'm leaving her running to see if it'll charge up the battery. Meanwhile, the very cutest FedEx chick dropped off my Rock Auto. So this is the motor for the hatch pull down. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put this in, and then I'm gonna try to start the car. If it's dead, which I really do suspect it will be, I'll have to run into town and buy a new battery, because these lead acid batteries, when you kill them that bad, they're usually done. It's really, really rare that they'll come back unless this battery is extremely new and can recover, which I really doubt it. My luck, I'm going to be putting another battery in here. So let me go ahead and enjoy my coffee. It's really starting to get hot out, and then I'm going to try to go ahead and put this in. Ooh, she sounds pretty good. So I went ahead, took a break, drank a bunch of water, actually got a little bit of a nap in, and the car still starts. So fingers crossed, man. It's a good sign that it still started after a few hours of sitting. So, oh man, I got it done. What a job. I thought it was gonna be really simple. Pop 3 screws, take that out, but that's not really how that worked. Of course not. Whenever you do a car, work on even the smallest thing, there's always a problem. I had a problem when I first put it in, closed the hatch, the motor pulled all the way down, and it just stayed on. I could feel the motor getting hot, and I figured there was a switch in there that reverses, and I thought it was actually broke. Oh my god, a brand new one, or maybe even rebuilt, was like $150, but there was a core, so maybe like $70 or $100 or something like that for a rebuilt. So when I found out that it was actually a mechanical switch, I didn't see there was a switch on the side. I figured it out. The switch did work. I just had problems with the way I put it in there. The switch didn't hit quite right. So anyway, we got it figured out, and check this out. Now when you close the hatch, check it out. This is the way it should be, nice and easy. Look at that. Now that sits nice. Yeah, buddy. We're getting it. We're getting all the broken stuff fixed, and then we're gonna get some mods. Like I said, I think I got the. I don't think I said it, but I think I got the wheels that I want. I have them on my computer, so every time I open up the computer, that web page is there, and I'm staring at those wheels. So, because I've done that before, I've looked at the wheels and I come back the next day, and I've been like, no, I don't know why I really like them. It's really important you don't buy wheels when you're tired. Oh boy, because you're really stuck with these things. Especially on, I still got rims in the backyard that are from GM stuff and I can't get rid of. So if I had like a Honda or something like that, I'd probably get rid of them in a heartbeat. That's why I lucked out. Like the drag radials for the Camaro, the guy had been trying to sell them for a while. I just hadn't seen them, and I only noticed it when he dropped the price. And so yeah, quite happy. It worked that time. It worked out good for me. That I had those wheels back there is not working out. But alright, so I am kind of beat. Heat got to me a little bit. I think I'm going to mess around with that antenna maybe tomorrow. I don't know. The wife's off, so I don't know. I got to get the Grand National around and work on it as well. I might do that later tonight. I don't know. All I know is going to clean up the garage, get the 50th put away for the time being, and I got a pot of coffee up. So there's one other reason not to go to LS Fest I didn't say, is because this weekend we are celebrating our 1-year anniversary of being married. We're just doing like a little mild thing for tonight. 1 year, which is beautiful. Alright, so this has been sitting in the freezer for an entire year. I'm about to see if it's still any good. Pretty traditional for when people get married, that you save the topper off your cake and you put it in the freezer for a year, and on your anniversary you go ahead and take this thing out and enjoy it. So I've never done this before. Be interested to see if it's still good. Alright, year-old cake. See if it's any good.
Edible. Okay.
I don't think the icing really survived. It seems like it.
Oh, really? Baby?
Yeah.
Mm.
You want to try?
Yeah.
See what the boss thinks of our year-old. Really, you can take a bigger bite than that. It's not going to kill you.
Okay. Mm. Still frozen. A little bit.
So maybe the icing will frost as well.
Honey, it's okay.
It's okay. Never had year-old cake. That's what I know of. It was definitely better a year ago. But we are better than a year ago.
Yes, we are.
Alright, so the 91 sat all day yesterday. I have no idea. I haven't tried it. The dome light is on. So what do you think? Do you think she's going to start? Voltmeter went up. Ooh, yes. Oh, thank you. Well, I guess the battery survived being totally drained. Alright kids, don't do this at home because I am what you call a professional. Oh man, it was time to go ahead and take the 50 out, get her for a little drive. Putting the colder spark plugs in here for the Pro Charger. This car does not like to idle. And the other day when I had to jump start the 91, this car was running for quite a bit and it was really starting to chug a little bit. So time to take it out, get it up to temperature, clean these plugs out. And I wanted to drive it. Plus, my good subscriber, Sankey, not really a fan of the 91. Dude, you break my heart, man. I don't even know what to say. I know you're a 50 guy, because you have one. Man, the 91 is going to be good, man. It's a Camaro, man. It's the heritage. It's what led to this car. If we didn't have that, we wouldn't have this one. So, it's time to go ahead and wrap up the vlog. I will say that this morning, an order was placed for some wheels. That's right. The wheels coming for the 91. I haven't got the confirmation from the tire place yet. Hopefully everything's in stock. I don't see why it would have let me order. There was another one I was trying to get and it didn't show in stock, so it should be okay. I haven't got the confirmation, but I did put in the order, so hopefully next vlog I'll give you an update on all of that. So got a fun day tomorrow playing with the 91. Got a few things I need to get done. Stuff I was going to do last week, but the issue I had with the dog and that kind of sidelined all that. So thank you everyone for your support with that. Just thank you for your support with the channel. Your continued support does mean a lot to me. This is why I got the 91 Z28, my very first project car for the channel. Something I've been wanting to do for quite a while. I just haven't had the time and stuff like that. But now that YouTube's kind of like my full-time thing, even though I'm still awaiting the outcome of my retirement request, I'm treating YouTube as a full-time job, and I'm doing the best I can to try to bring you great content. So hopefully everyone likes the third gen Camaro. Obviously Sankey, yeah, I don't know what to say, man. It's still a great car. I still have the beautiful 50 here, and we're gonna go run her in Ocala and see how fast adding a little bit of boost will do to this car, and hopefully we'll have a good experience and fun out there. Maybe my friend Steve will show up. He's got a friggin' insane GTR that can bust 200.5 miles. So if he's out there, I'd love to bring you that car as well. So if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do that for me. It's absolutely free of charge, no obligation involved. And go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Help get the word out. Share this this page with your friends and that, and let's go ahead and grow this channel. So thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.